Tired of that relentless cough keeping you up at night? Before reaching for over-the-counter meds, your kitchen might hold the key. Imagine soothing your throat with honey's sweet embrace or steam's gentle decongestion. Forget harsh chemicals. Nature offers potent, time-tested remedies. There are simple things you can do to ease your cough: drinking lots of fluids, using a humidifier, and trying honey, lemon, or garlic combination. These readily available options can quiet your cough naturally and effectively, bringing you much-needed relief and restful nights. Let's unlock the power of home remedies.